Hi everybody, in today's video we are actually going to be using our hand carders and we are going to be carding up this fiber combination right here. We're going to be turning this into an art yarn. I threw it all together, now we're going to take it apart for a second just to show you some of the different fibers that are in it. We have two different types of angora in this fiber. So we have white angora and so this is the white angora. And then we also have a pile. And this is from Beatrix. So it looks like a bit of a beige angora. So when you put these two together next to each other, there is an actual slight color difference. We have multiple different colors of roving in here. Some of it has a little bit of glitter. And then we have a little bit of silk mixed in. This is the biggest and this is the final piece. This roving, it's a wonderful green color, and this is actually going to be highly fun, I suspect, both to card and to spin. So we take our hand carders, and this is going to be an art yarn. We're just going to do whatever we would like. So we're going to load on this fiber on the hand carders. We'll put a little bit of white angora. There's going to be no rhyme or reason into how we're creating these row legs for spinning. We just took an ounce of the Spinner's Surprise fiber to make this skein of yarn. We didn't evenly take fibers from each of the different parts. So loading on this hand carder. You may think, why on earth are you carding roving? I'm carding it to blend these fibers right here together. I don't want those fibers to be independent. I want them to have a little bit of a blend, but I don't want them to be super blended together. So I'm not going to card this multiple times through the hand carders. Once or twice each particular time is really all I'm going to do. That's going to be enough to give it what I want, just a little bit of blending through here. So then we take off this first row leg. That's how it looks. I just leave it like that. I'm going to spin it directly from that, and we keep going. Alright, so this particular fiber, it's like a light blue fiber. I'll show it next to the green. It's almost a little bit of like a light, I don't know, like a little bit of green, a little bit of blue in there. But this is actually from Angora Crafted. It's from Diana Greeno. We have a lot of different colors for our row legs. Okay, so we finished making all of our row legs with the fibers that we wanted to blend together. You can tell that they're very different. We have a bit of roving left over. If this roving were kind of more stuck together, I would actually just put it through the hand carders to get it all loosened up. But this has a lot of air in it. It's not really sticky roving. So this, I'm actually just gonna leave what is left from what I grabbed. And I'm gonna leave it like this, and I'm going to spin this just like this. So that is going to be it for our hand carding. If you're curious about the hand carders that we used, these are the 190 teeth per inch. These are the Howard hand carders. I did recently look online to see if you could still get these hand carders, and I was showing that if you go to Howard hand carders, they are out of stock. So I'm not sure exactly what's going on because it looks like a lot of their products are out of stock. If you know what's going on with the Howard Brush Company, please definitely drop a comment below. Let other people know what's going on with this particular company, because honestly, these are the best hand carders. I've had these hand carders forever and they have taken a lot. Thank you so much for watching. If you want this fiber, go to Rabbitry Yarns.